Hello everyone, welcome back to my health and fitness channel. Today I'm talking about childhood immunization program. Recently a couple of parents who were getting vaccines for their children asked me what are the vaccines for and what brand am I using and how effective they are. Last 20 years I have been practicing pediatrics. Not many parents have asked these sort of questions. So probably the COVID pandemic has created a general awareness in parents that even in vaccines there are different brands and vaccines have different ways of protecting children. So the effectiveness does vary. So this general awareness is very important. I'm glad that people have started asking questions. So on this regard, I thought to make a childhood immunization series where I will talk about each vaccine and what its benefits are and how far it has been useful. So let me give a brief introduction of the childhood immunizations. I think childhood immunizations are probably the most cost-effective healthcare intervention which has happened in this world. Vaccination programs have been started in almost all the countries since the beginning of the 20th century, and in India specifically it was started in 1978. Initially it was called as EPI program, which then was later changed to Universal Immunization Program or UIP in 1985. In the UIP program we cover 6 killer diseases across the country at free of cost. These are BCG, which covers against tuberculosis, OPV, which is polio vaccine against poliomyelitis, DPT, which is triple antigen, which protects against diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, and more recent inclusion has been hepatitis B, which protects against hepatitis B disease. If you look at WHO data, it says that probably 2 to 3 million deaths have been prevented because of vaccinations in the world every year, and this is a very significant number. Today in the world, if you look, there are vaccinations available at least against 27 causative agents, and many more vaccines against killer diseases are in the pipeline. Coming back to Indian data, we have about 2.6 crore births every year, or 26 million births take place. And if we look at the Universal Immunization Program, 61% of all the children have received all the 6 vaccinations. So in India, the UIP coverage is 61%. Definitely this needs to go up, and one of the effective ways to make it go up is by creating awareness programs across digital media, social media and the existing radio and TV media. So friends, please watch out for my next post on individual vaccination coverage. Thank you.